guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you my 32 months lock update. I think is it 32? I think it's 2 years and 8 months. It should be 32. And I wasn't sure whether I should even do an update because time is running. Today is the last day of this year, so today's the 31st. I don't know if I'll be able to upload this video on this day. We'll see. If this video is up on the 31st, then well, I managed to do that. But if it didn't get up on the 31st, then I had to postpone the upload. But yeah, I wanted to bring you an update. Yesterday, which is the 30th, I started my retightening of my hair, and I managed to finish at 12:30 today, so 12:30 a.m., so in the middle of the night. But it was with breaks. I started somewhere around 10 o'clock in the morning, and then I did grocery shopping, I cooked, I did stuff, laundry, whatever, did a few things here and there and worked a little, and then I went back to my hair. So I finished at 12:30 in the night, and I was super proud of myself because I was so determined that I'm entering 2012. Oh, sorry, 2020. What am I thinking? 2020 with my hair done. Retightening is done. It shouldn't be a burden on me. So I said I would take that time to do that. And definitely most of the fun activities that I was supposed to have with my kids, I had to refrain from that and then concentrate on my hair. But I managed to do it. Anyways, let me show you how my hair has become right now. So this is the retightening I did. These little two things are hair that has actually accumulated. This part of my hair normally does not really grow. It's always like this, bare. And for whatever reason, I've seen some hair growing. So I decided to twist it up and see if this could actually turn into a lock in the future. I don't know. Sometimes I just brush it out and I just leave it there, but it doesn't make my retightening look clean, so that is why I just rolled it up. But normally there's no hair there, but if it's growing, that will be fine because I started using some black castor oil here at these areas, but I started using it after I saw that the hair there was growing. I didn't use it before the hair started growing, so I don't know whether I should give the credit to the black castor oil. But I started using it after I saw the hair was growing there, and I said let me nurture it a little. So let me show you the black castor oil. This is the oil that I got, so it's this one, and I got it from one of these Indian shops, but they sell, black women's hair stuff, and that's where I got it from. And then I mixed it up with some rosemary oil, and I didn't even add vitamin E. I did add vitamin E and some rosemary oil because somehow that black castor oil smells funky. I never knew it had a smell because it smells like dried fish. I don't know why, but I guess the real black castor oil smells like dried fish because the castor oil that I use is scentless. So I didn't expect it to have any smell. And when I saw that, I thought maybe because it's in that kind of shop, maybe they sell food. No, they don't even sell any food. So I was wondering why it was smelling that way. Anyway, so that's why I added the rosemary oil so that it would give it a nice minty smell and then cover up that other one. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to deal. So this is my hair right now. I haven't washed my hair, so hopefully no flakes fall out. But this is my hair right now. Finish the retie. So yeah, that's the retightening that I've done. I think this time I really did well. I had a lot of new growth, so I had more than one rotation. So that's why it took me so long to retighten my hair. And I cannot promise myself that I'll never, wait for that long to retighten my hair because almost every time I say that, I still do it. So I'm just trying to accept the fact that that's what I do, and then I'll see how I can manage that. So that is how my hair is right now. But I'm actually very happy because I started this year with 20 months. I was locked 20 months and my hair was somewhere up here. And then now it's at 32 months. So I added 12 months to it, and this is where I am right now. So if I get some kind of comparison picture, I would put it in so that you can see. But yeah, this is it, guys. 2019. I didn't quit my lock journey. I didn't cut off my locks. I didn't do anything crazy with my locks, and I'm still here. So I'm very, very happy. I need to count my blessings, even though it's a challenge. Secondly, I'll be dyeing my hair black. So let me show you the product I bought to do that. So this is the product I bought. I actually bought it today. Today was some kind of a crazy rush hour. Everybody thinks probably there will be no food anymore. So it was a long queue. I almost gave up on buying this thing. But this is a black coloring system, but it comes in the form of foam. The reason why I chose this is because I've been using henna and stuff so far, not knowing. Henna has been sprinkling all over my bathroom without me knowing. So you know, it takes time before the henna develops. So when I apply it into my hair and it sprinkles on my tiles, I don't see it immediately. It's later when I'm cleaning my bathroom and stuff, then I see black spots everywhere, and then it's the henna. So I said I have to stop. I need something that is much more easier in application, and this one is the foam. So like when you pump it, it becomes like a lather, and then I'll just have to smear that over my hair. Actually, I will need 2 boxes, but I decided to just take one because I'm not doing an intensive color. I just want to cover up the front a little and then in between, and so some strands can remain brown. I actually don't care because it does look a little bit black, but it's not fully black. So I'll just apply it in between and then just do it, you know. So yeah, that's it to my update, guys. I wish you a happy new year. If you are watching this and it's already the new year, then happy new year, and I pray that we all enjoy this year and make 2022 our own. And yeah, I'll be bringing new updates apart from my hair. I would post a video, or probably have posted a video already, that I'm adding new content to this channel. So I'll be documenting my business journey. Yes, it is something that I always wanted to do, but I couldn't get over myself to do it. But 2020, I'm challenging myself. So I'll be documenting my business journey as well, share stuff that I do and how I prepare myself for this whole entrepreneurship kind of thing. So yeah, I just wanted to share that as well with you, because I was thinking if hair can motivate people, and I don't know, so many people who have been watching my videos have ended up also getting microlocks, and I said, if this is so motivational, then, and I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just sharing what I do, you know. I'm just sharing what I do actually, so I'm not an expert or anything. And the same applies to business. I'm not an expert. I learn as I go. So if I share with you and it encourages you and you start a business as well, isn't that a great thing? So yeah. So that's why I decided to do that and share that kind of content. Plus, it will keep this channel engaged, because this monthly update really does take time. Like if I were to be following myself 1 month before an update, that's a very long time. So yeah, I need to put in a little bit more effort. So, and then provide you with more things that can, so we can all improve and grow together, right? That it makes it more fun. Sharing is caring. So yeah. Anyway, that's it to my update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, happy new year, and I will see you